Now moving towards the second method, the zip. The zip function is basically the zip function. What it does is it's going to pass. So what the zip function is going to do is it's going to pass the list of the tuples from the iterables which we have passed as a parameters. Here we have passed the parameters as the values and the dictionary and the keys from our dictionaries. So since we have passed the values first and the keys and the behind, so it's going to return the result as a tuples, and then we are converting it into the dictionaries, which will convert them into the dictionaries starting from the values, and then we are printing it out.